A Walmart receipt usually appears in the app only when the purchase is linked to your Walmart account or scanned through a payment method that gets recorded digitally. If it's missing, it usually means the system didn't connect the transaction to your profile, not that the receipt is gone forever. By the end of this, you'll know why Walmart receipts don't show up in the app, how to force them to sync, and what to do if the purchase is completely missing. First reason is account mismatch. If you checked out as a guest in store or weren't signed into the Walmart app during purchase, the system has no way to attach that transaction to your account. That's why it never shows up in your receipt history. Second reason is payment method tracking. Walmart only auto-links certain transactions when your card or digital wallet gets recognized and tied to your account. If you used a different card than usual or paid with cash, there's nothing for the app to pull in. Third reason is processing delay or sync issues. Sometimes receipts take time to appear, especially after busy shopping periods or system updates. In those cases, the purchase exists, but the app hasn't refreshed your transaction history yet. Now to fix it. Start with the basics inside the Walmart app. Open your account section and go to Purchase History. Pull down to refresh the page so it forces a sync. This alone fixes a lot of missing receipts. Next, check that you're signed into the exact same account you used when shopping. A different email or phone number creates a separate purchase history, even if it feels like the same login. If it still doesn't show, use Add Missing Purchase or Scan Receipt if available in your app version. Some purchases can be manually linked using transaction details from your bank statement. The fastest backup option is your payment card. Check your bank or card app for the exact transaction time and amount. That info can be used at customer service to locate the receipt in Walmart's system, even if the app never shows it. If nothing appears in the app, the purchase still exists in Walmart's internal system. In-store customer service can usually pull it up using the card, date, and store location. To wrap it up, missing Walmart receipts in the app usually come down to account mismatch, payment method tracking, or sync delays. Refreshing your purchase history and checking the correct account fixes most cases. And if that fails, your card transaction is the key to recovering it. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple fixes like this.